Hello guys, today we are going to explain paradox and its examples. Well guys, so what actually is a paradox? Basically the term paradox is derived from a Greek word paradoxa, which means contrary to expectation. What does it mean by it? Well, let me define it and then you will understand it. So the definition is a paradox is a figure of speech in which a statement seems self-contradictory or absurd, but in reality it expresses a possible truth. It means that a paradox is nothing but a figure of speech like simile, metaphor, and personification. But in paradox, a statement is used in such a way that it contradicts itself. Simply, it means when we read a paradoxical statement, then it will appear to us illogical or meaningless. But in reality, it will have some hidden truth. I think you are not getting it. So let me give you some examples so then you will understand it. So the example is your enemy's friend is your enemy. What does it mean? Look at this one, and this is a paradox because it is a statement but it seems to us illogical at first reading. Because how can your enemy's friend be your enemy? But when we think deeply about this statement, we can find reality in it. So, what is that reality? Simply, you can say that when your enemy's friend will help your enemy in the matter of harming you, so this is a paradox. The next example is less is more. What does it mean? Here again, this statement is a paradox because it contradicts itself and apparently seems illogical and senseless. But when we observe it deeply, then we can get it that something is better than nothing. Sometimes less is more. For example, if you are not getting thing and you get little of it, so then you can say that less is more. So this is a paradox. The next example is it is the beginning of the end. What does it mean? This is also a paradox because it seems illogical, but it is a correct and meaningful statement. Simply, it means that when the end of something starts, so we can say that it is the beginning of the end. Well guys, if you have enjoyed the lecture, please like and subscribe the channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.